Ki pait ba ka chong Jowai. Ne the one ki bon spa ngot hamadan dynasty la thlbo. Yowai pait wai wo penyo ye kerchan ye Shalong la Jong FC. Kawari chem wa North East United FC ha ka yukun semi-final ka 133rd Durand Cup kawadapan man HJN Stadium Shillong. Nailiang ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs Meghalaya. Dewa ye krek lang wa ka yung krek ka Deputy Commissioner West Jaintia Hills District. De penyeng gida ka LED screen wa he. Yo ki pait ba upait kat ka mo ja ka yelek ke. Ki pait ba the one ki charang wakan thai wa he wa khana chagani ka thau penyo ball. Tang wa da hap ki wa liwan de was nyau si. Nay da wa rem ngala jong de le la not.
And Marcos Rodriguez haven't really got him into the game so far. The Brazilian. You have to say so far. Here's Johnny doing exceedingly well. The pass not quite as well.
Offside position. No offside from our side. That's the reason why he was brought into this match. They had an experienced lot over here. Simply getting this ball movement right. The off the ball movement from Patrick was so brilliant on the left. He simply gets in and behind the defenders, going into goalwards.
Remember, this is the 133rd edition of the Indian Oil Durand Cup 2024, powered by Coal India, organized by the Indian Armed Forces and supported by the government of Meghalaya.